guys, welcome to No Nonsense Unity. Today I'll be showing you how to make horizontal movement very quickly and easily in Unity. So first of all, you're going to want to make a new C# script and then call it movement. Once you've done that, double click it to open it. It should open up in your default code editor. Mine's VS Code. And then right here, before void start, you're going to want to add in public float speed, and that will allow us to change the speed of the character. Then leave void start empty, and then move down to void update and put in this code. So here the float horizontal is getting the axis from the project settings that you've set. So that's basically the keybind. So for example, A or D or left or right. And then afterwards it's taking the axis, and then it's whatever sprite or object or whatever has this component or this script, it will translate it. So basically it will move it across the scene. So basically it's doing the horizontal that we have here, and then time.delta time, which ensures that the speed won't change with how many FPS the player is getting. And then it times it by the speed that we've set up here. And then you want to do comma 0f, comma 0f, and that just ensures that the character won't move on the Z or Y axis. So save that, then come back into here and just drag. Just you want to drag that in, and then it will be there. And then you want to set the speed something like 10, and then when you start it, you see you can move across, back and forth. And then if you want to change the keybinds, just hop into project settings, and then I've already inverted it for some other project, but for example I can change it back to A and D, or even L and J, for example. And then once I save that, if I play it, L and J are now my two control keys. I'm pressing J right now, I'm pressing L right now. So as you can see, that's how it works. So that's the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. I will be coming up with the simple jumping tutorial soon. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I thought I'd just make a little announcement. Some of you may have noticed I've upgraded my microphone, so the audio quality on these videos, or at least the videos that I make, should be better. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you tune in for the next one. Bye.